Hello and thank you for taking a moment of your time to watch this video. Now this channel is dedicated to helping beginners learn how they can make money buying and selling on Amazon using a method called arbitrage. That means you go out to retail stores or online and you buy products at a discount. You turn right around and you sell those products on Amazon for a profit. And what we're going to do in this video, I'm going to actually do something I haven't done in quite a while. I'm going to actually show you the products right from the store that I bought so that you can get an idea of what types of products you can sell on Amazon. So if you're a beginner, you're just getting started, or you just want a refresher, some pointers, some tips, you'll want to watch this video. And this is going to be significant because yes, on this channel, we talk about tools to use and tips and tricks and things like that. That's good. But for the beginner, a lot of times they just want to know, hey, what should I be looking at? What types of products am I going to be able to sell? So this is going to be a video to show you exactly what I took from one of my favorite places to go and do retail arbitrage. That's where you actually go out to stores. And as you can see, I was at one of my favorite stores, which is called Ollie's. So let's get in. I'm going to actually take you into my back office. We're going to look at some products that we were able to source. We're going to figure out why we made the decision, what the process is. That way you can learn how to evaluate and figure out whether or not you can make a profit on a particular product. So let's head out to the mystery van and let's start unloading and looking at what we got. Here we go, guys. This is what to sell on Amazon. I'm Horace. Let's go. Okay, guys, I hope you can see me, but it's Monday morning, and before I go to work, we're gonna shoot this quick video. So we're gonna take a walk over to the mystery van and see what we got yesterday. Now, as I've told you guys before, I got regular stores that I usually hit as part of my retail arbitrage. So when I come back, it was actually a lot more stuff in there than this because I got a lot of replenishables, but I ain't gonna waste your time on that. But I was at one of my favorite stores. As you can see, I was at Ollie's. You may have Ollie's around, and we're gonna focus on these particular items that I brought back, and we're gonna see what kind of money I made, if I made money. So we're gonna focus on this product. We got a Ninja. We got a Chefman slow cooker, and we got, I'm really excited about this. It's an Oster, like a waffle maker. So we're gonna get in here, and there's a couple other things. If you guys want to talk about the Bob's Red Mill, that's a good brand. You're not gonna make much money on that, but they do move. If you wanna get into that, let me know in the comments. And we'll talk about that this coming Saturday on the live stream. Okay, gang, so let's get inside and let's look at the numbers and do the evaluations. Okay, guys, we're gonna get into this video real quick before I have to run and go to work. So what I wanna do first is just kind of show you exactly what I paid for these products. So you can see that $16.99 for the electric spiraler. Whoa, stuff's kind of big here. Can you see that? $19.99 for the slow cooker. $19.99 for the waffle maker. And then the big one here, let's see, can you see that? That's, get out of the way. Okay, $49.99 for the Ninja instant cooker. And that does include the rack and the ring and all that junk. You'll see that in there. So we got our prices on all of that. That way we know what we're looking at. So before we get going, you know me, I always love to qualify myself. That way you know whether or not I'm a suitable teacher for you. So we're going to do a quick refresh. And as you can see, today is March the 2nd. The year is 2020. And I've had 2 sales today. In the last 30 days, we've done 12,715. Guys, we're starting to move up. You notice we're starting to move up. That was my most recent payment. That's my balance. This is what it looks like when you get into your back office. They call it Seller Central. And we got all kind of videos about that, but so we're just going to keep it moving. But yeah, here is the first product that we're looking at. It's the electric spiraler. Now here you can see you already got good rank. Now mind you, guys, I was using my phone because you have your app that you can use. When I was at Ollie's, I was using that. We got videos about that. If you have questions, let me know. But right here, you can see the rank. Now, of course, I'm using Scanalyze. That's a free extension, a Chrome extension. That way, that puts that right there in front of me. I like that. And you can see what I like to do at this point is kind of look at all of your other sellers. Now, of course, we got to filter down to who we're in there with. We're competing with prime sellers. So you can see everybody's holding at $39.95, and you saw what we paid for it. And I'm just using the revenue calculator so that we can see what we will make. This is the price we're going to sell it at. Cost me about 50 cents to send in, and that's because I ship in big shipments. As your shipments get bigger, the cost per piece to get in there is going to go down. And then you can see the cost of product with tax. I included the 6% tax that I have to pay in Pennsylvania, and this is the amount that I would make. So $7.67, and that's a margin of 19%. So a lot of people wonder, well, how much are you making? That's an example of what I make. Here's the next product. Remember the slow cooker. Here we can see that's good rank. I mean, some people wouldn't like that rank, but I have experience. I will go that high. That product is going to sell. And again, I look at my competition. I filter down to prime, to new, and everybody's holding to like $52.99. And that's a good sign, guys. When you see guys holding, that means, you know, you're dealing with a group of people who know what they're doing. No one's racing to the bottom. They know that Amazon is going to rotate between all of us. Amazon wants all of us to be successful. Amazon has nothing to gain by losing a seller. So they're going to do what they can within, you know, the boundaries that they can work with so that we all make money. Now, if you got one fool racing to the bottom, well, then they have no choice, you know. So like you look at this guy, but he only has 2 left. You know, but then look at how many ratings he's got. He's probably hungry out here trying to get something going here. Let him sell out. Don't worry about him. But anyway, come over to the revenue calculator. This is where we're going to list at about what I'm going to pay to ship it in, what I paid with tax, and I'm going to make $14.30. Now look at your margin goes up on this. So, you know, when you ask how much am I making, you know, my margins, we have to look at the average, okay? So then the next product we're going to look at real quick is the Ninja. Look at that rank on there. Now, of course, guys, don't worry about it if you're not approved for this yet. I wasn't approved for this, but you keep working. We'll work together. If you want to work, and we'll get you approved. You got to put the time in. This is not about you trying to figure out and sell the products that I'm showing you. This is just about you understanding how this works and what kind of products I typically sell. And it's not always restricted brands. I sell a lot of unrestricted, but that rank is really good in kitchen and dining. And of course, I'm going to look to see what the competition is doing. I'm going to filter it prime, new. And you only got one person selling for $99.99. So that's where I'm going to jump in at. $99.99 cost to ship it in. My price with shipping, that's what I'm going to make on the product. You know, 14, round up to 15% margin on that. I work with those margins. Some people don't, but that's, you know what I mean? You have to understand, you walk into Ollie's, you're doing a haul. You're not going into Ollie's saying, okay, let me look at the Ninja. You're saying, you know, I was probably in there an hour. And that's short. That's me in and out like a burglar. Because I could have spent more time in there, but I just didn't have it. But anyway, we're going to look at the last product, which is the Waffle Maker. Look at that rank. But that rank is tight. And then again, I like to look at my other sellers. And you only got 2 people selling this product. Now, if you're looking at the keeper chart, all the tan is where Amazon was selling it at. And you see what happened? Amazon went out of stock. They came back in. They went out again. So, you know, you just have to understand, this may be a product that sits. I don't think so, because if Amazon was really stocking this, you would see Amazon still listed here, and they would allow you to order, and they would say back ordered, you know, because they're going to take that order. If they can get it now, they're going to get it now. So there must be nothing anticipated coming in, but that doesn't necessarily mean that by the time I get my inventory in, because I'm not sending this stuff in until Friday, it's not going to actually start getting inventoried until next week, depending on what warehouse it goes to. And something like this may not go to the warehouse close to me. So by the time it gets inventoried, it may not be, Amazon may be back in again, but that's okay. List it high, let it fly. That's my philosophy. So I'm looking at these 2 guys, and right away you can see nobody's FBA. These are all merchant fulfilled. So look at where I'm listing mine at. They were 44, 45 range. I'm listing mine at $49.99. Cost to ship it in. My cost with tax. And that's what I'm going to make. And you see your margin is like 25%. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I got to get going to work. Like I said, if you like the video, let me know in the comments. And we're looking to do some more this Saturday on the live stream. We're going to look at some of the other products that I typically sell, and then we're going to see what we can find for you. So just leave some comments. Go out there to Ollie's. If you got Ollie's in your area, it doesn't matter if you don't, because everyone has a discount store in your area. Start getting out there, because even if you like online arbitrage, which I do, when you combine your retail arbitrage with your online arbitrage, you'll start getting numbers like this. This is not impossible, guys, and the number is going up. For those of you who follow, I've been around 11s and stuff like that. I'm getting close to 13s. I'm not fooling around. So get on board with me. All right. We're gonna take you to the outro and then get on our way, guys. Thanks so much.
Okay, guys, that's going to conclude this video. I hope you got value out of it. And if you did, I'm going to ask a favor of you. Could you please give the video a like, a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the channel. And what that does is actually help me so that we can continue to produce these videos and add value to you. Also hit the bell notification so that you won't miss the next episode. It's absolutely free. It only takes a second, and it will help us out and you won't miss anything. Thank you so much for that. Also, we do have a 12-module course available up on Udemy. So check the link below if you want to invest in a complete program that's very, very affordable right now. And that would be something you'd be interested in if you want to make that investment and really take this serious. Also, I do offer coaching. So you can text the number on the screen and also in the description, text the words working class hustler, and we'll start the dialogue to get you actually connected with me, a real person in a real phone, nothing automated, and we can make sure that we get you on your way. And also one more thing, if you'd like the software that
that we talk about, which is called tactical arbitrage, check the link below. We'll make sure that you get 10 free days of a trial period. And also, if you sign up under me, we'll make sure you get one-on-one coaching if you need it on that, complimentary. That's going to conclude this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is What to Sell on Amazon. I'm Horace, respecting your mind, your time, and most definitely your grind. I've shown you how to get some of this paper. It's time to go get mine. I'm out.